Put the machine in the port. Make sure the water is up on the mean water level and below the mass. Power on but not start up. Press the set button for 3 seconds to select temperature unit. Press the power button for 3 seconds to set the temperature. Short presses for each degree adjustment, while long presses for quick adjustment. Press the set button to adjust the hour. After the hour is set, press the set button again to adjust the minute. Press the power button to start the machine. You can press the set button for 3 seconds to check the set temperature. Press the power button again and back to the word interface. Put the fuel seal in the vacuum bag into the port. When the temperature reaches to the desired cooking temperature, the countdown will start. The machine will power off when you take it up on the earth. The water is below the mean water level. Press the power button to start it again after putting it back to the port.